With our own plantations, Sunshine Code uses advanced cultivation techniques to guarantee the highest quality ingredients. After picking fresh pineapples, the process moves to cleaning and preparation. Each pineapple is carefully washed, followed by skilled hands peeling the skin to get it ready for drying. Next, we move into the pineapple drying process. Our advanced AD drying technology and well-established production line ensure that every piece is crafted to high quality while preserving the pineapple's natural taste. Once dried, the pineapple is stored in airtight bags, sealing in freshness and flavor for longer shelf life. This meticulous process delivers a delicious, perfectly preserved product. We have the advanced laboratories that conduct rigorous quality testing. In addition, we have obtained international certifications and qualifications.